The anticipation surrounding Apple's upcoming Mac Mini M5 has reached a fever pitch among tech enthusiasts and professionals alike. As the successor to the widely acclaimed Mac Mini M4, the M5 iteration is expected to bring significant advancements in performance, design, and functionality. This comprehensive analysis delves into the latest leaks, rumors, and expert opinions to provide an in-depth look at what the Mac Mini M5 might offer. Evolution of the Mac Mini series. The Mac Mini has long been celebrated for its compact form factor and robust performance. From its inception, it has served as a versatile desktop solution catering to a broad spectrum of users, from casual consumers to professional creatives. The introduction of Apple's proprietary silicon chips marked a transformative era for the Mac Mini, significantly enhancing its processing capabilities and energy efficiency. Geeky gadgets. The Mac Mini M4, released in 2023, set a new benchmark with its 10-core CPU, 10-core GPU, and hardware-accelerated ray tracing. This model also featured a 16-core neural engine and 120 GB per second memory bandwidth, delivering exceptional performance across various applications. Apple. Anticipated features of the Mac Mini M5. As Apple prepares to unveil the Mac Mini M5, several key features have emerged from various leaks and reports. Advanced M5 chipset. The centerpiece of the Mac Mini M5 is expected to be the new M5 chip, boasting a more powerful CPU and GPU configuration. This enhancement aims to deliver superior processing power and graphics performance, catering to both everyday users and professionals engaged in resource-intensive tasks. Enhanced connectivity. The M5 model is rumored to include multiple Thunderbolt ports, USB-A ports, HDMI output, and an Ethernet port, ensuring seamless integration with a wide array of peripherals and networks. Sleek design with minor adjustments. While maintaining its signature compact design, the Mac Mini M5 may introduce subtle refinements to improve user experience. However, some reports suggest that the placement of the power button underneath the device might remain unchanged, a detail that has garnered mixed reactions from users. Geeky gadgets. Performance expectations. The integration of the M5 chip is anticipated to bring notable performance enhancements. Superior processing power. The M5 chip is expected to feature an increased number of cores, translating to faster and more efficient handling of complex tasks. Graphics performance. With advancements in GPU architecture, the Mac Mini M5 is likely to offer improved graphics rendering capabilities, benefiting professionals in video editing, 3D modeling, and gaming development. Energy efficiency. Despite the boost in performance, the M5 chip is designed to maintain energy efficiency, aligning with Apple's commitment to environmental sustainability. Apple. Release timeline and pricing. Industry insiders suggest that the Mac Mini M5 could be launched between late 2025 and early 2026, with potential release windows in November 2025 or early 2026. Pricing is anticipated to align closely with the M4 models, with the base M5 starting at $599 and the M5 Pro at $1,399. Geeky gadgets. Market implications. The introduction of the Mac Mini M5 is poised to have a significant impact on the desktop computing market. Geeky gadgets. Competitive edge. With its enhanced performance and connectivity features, the Mac Mini M5 is expected to strengthen Apple's position in the desktop segment, offering a compelling alternative to traditional tower PCs. Appeal to professionals. The anticipated features cater to the needs of professionals requiring high-performance computing in a compact form factor, potentially expanding Apple's user base in creative and technical fields. Conclusion. The Mac Mini M5 represents a significant step forward in Apple's desktop computing lineup. With its anticipated advanced M5 chipset, enhanced connectivity options, and refined design, it promises to deliver a powerful yet compact solution for a diverse range of users. As we await official announcements, the excitement continues to build for what could be a game-changing addition to the Mac Mini series.